Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video I'm so excited because I'm introducing 3 new colors to my Glam Glitter collection. A lot of you have been asking, so here it is. So these are the 3 additional colors, and if you don't know by now, they come in these little pouches. I am thinking of changing the color of the pouches, but nonetheless, this is how they come. And coming right up, I'm going to showcase them for you. If you are interested, my email will be on the screen, and that's how you can contact me about them. This is called Meet Me at Tiffany's. That's what I named it, Meet Me at Tiffany's. A beautiful teal turquoise color that I absolutely love. It's actually my favorite color. The next one is this beautiful purple. Look how beautiful and shiny that is. Actually, they all shine so much, and this one I decided to call Pretty in Purple. And last but not least is this beautiful cobalt blue that I decided to call Royal Blue, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to showcase these today on some DIYs, and I decided to use these beautiful geode inspired plaques that the Dollar Tree carries, and they happen to have exactly all the colors that I needed: the purple, the blue, and the teal turquoise. So I thought it was perfect. So I'm going to start out with my favorite, the teal and the turquoise. Now you can embellish this however which way you want. Here I have different color paint, some glitter, some gold leaf, whatever it is that you want. You can leave it alone or you can embellish it however which way you want. This color, Cloudless by Apple Barrel, I got it at Walmart, and I decided that the geode needed a little brightening in the middle, not too much, just a little bit. You can see after I'm done, it kind of brightens the middle there a little bit, even though at the end it's probably not even going to show, but I was just experimenting. Here I got this gold glitter glue from the Dollar Tree, and I did apply it, but I ended up removing it and reapplying it later on, just because it takes a while to dry and it was getting in the way of the other things I was trying to do. So I didn't think about it. I should have applied it at the end, but you will see that that's what I end up doing anyway. This green crushed glass and this blue one are from the Dollar Tree, and then the rest, these 3 are from Michael's, but I think you can find some also at Hobby Lobby. And here of course are Meet Me at Tiffany's and Royal Blue. I'm using my favorite glue for this type of thing, which is the clear Elmer's glue, and I'm going to apply a generous amount in the middle, and then with the Michael's crushed glass I'm going to put that in the center, and there you see me applying the glam glitter along those edges. Now I'm going to use some of that blue crushed glass from the Dollar Tree, and you just want to get creative with this piece. This is all your own. It's a to your personal liking. You want to build up this piece however which way you want. Just maybe using colors that complement each other, like the turquoise, the blue, and that sort of thing. And here I did mix the Meet Me at Tiffany's and Royal Blue together. That's one thing I've told you before about these glam glitters, that they complement each other really well. So that is something that you can definitely play around with and do with these. So again, now with that green crushed glass from the Dollar Tree, again it's in that same family color, and that's what it's looking like so far. And in the middle I decided to just add a little something extra, some white glitter. And then after this I decided to apply some iridescent glitter that I found at Walmart, and it's so beautiful. I recommend you get this. It is so pretty. Yeah, and so now moving on to the purple. Look at that beautiful purple shiny color, and again I'm just going along the lines there and applying the glitter in the center there, and then just building up the piece again with complementary colors. And here this crushed glass from Michael's I think complemented this really well. This crushed glass kind of has like a champagne light gold color, if you will, and I just think it went really well with this piece, and so I decided to use it. Guys, you see that big thumbs up back there? Stop what you're doing just for a second, give me those thumbs up. Nothing is gonna let me know that you're enjoying this video, that you want more videos from me, than those thumbs up. Once I see those thumbs up, I'll keep bringing those videos to you guys. It just keeps me going, it keeps me encouraged, and share these videos with family and friends. That's really going to help the channel grow. So here I'm applying, so now I am applying or reapplying the gold glue, glitter glue, and then on top of that I'm sprinkling it with some gold glitter, which I think makes all the difference. You have to try it. It's so beautiful. And in the center I'm applying the iridescent, and you'll see at the end it is absolutely gorgeous. It just looks so beautiful in the center there. You really got to try this one here, the gold glitter glue, and then sprinkling the loose gold glitter that I got at Walmart. It is just gorgeous. Yeah, so that big thumbs up I found at Dollar Tree, and I thought it was perfect to remind you guys. I have this beautiful color here that I could definitely add to the collection, the Glam Glitter collection. So if you like it, let me know. I think it's gorgeous. I have it, and if you want me to add it, this is what it looks like. I can definitely do that. I thought this complemented well because along the edge there, the inner edge of this geode, it kind of had the same similar color. So I remember that I had this glitter, and so this is something again that I can add to the collection. And so again, last but not least, our beautiful royal blue. And again, be generous with your glue, you guys, because this is a chunky glitter. This is not a fine glitter. This glitter has a lot of components that I've added to it. It's very chunky and it has substance to it, so you need glue that's gonna, you know, something to help it adhere to your surface. So go ahead and use, not dripping crazy, but you want to use a decent amount of this Elmer's glue, and I really do love this glue. And now this turquoise teal crushed glass from Michaels really complemented this piece. And off camera I used some, I sprinkled some glitter, silver glitter this time, to some of that silver glitter glue that the Dollar Tree also carries. And then off camera I'm just going to tweak it here and there, but nonetheless, coming right up, I'm going to show you how these beautiful pieces turned out, and I really want to know in the comment section what you guys think about it. Look at this, you guys. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so in love with these. I want to keep them. I'm sorry about that. That's the glare from the sun. I was trying to film this by my window because I really wanted the light to capture it. I just really wanted you guys to capture the beauty of these glitters, the color, just the whole piece in itself is just so beautiful. And like I said, I want to keep them. I have no room in my home, but I'm so not wanting to give them up. Let me know which one is your favorite. Another option that you can do with these is remove them from their base and then take a glass frame with nothing behind it, just the glass, and just glue them to the glass of the frame, and then you have this framed piece of art, so to speak. And I can just only imagine how beautiful that would look. And you can probably even light up the back with some string lights and it would just be gorgeous. So I'm just giving you guys some ideas and inspiration. Again, share this video with family and friends. Please give me a thumbs up. Again, I appreciate every single one of you, and let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your favorite is, or if you just love all of them. And yeah, so I really had fun doing this. I've never done this type of artwork before, but I definitely got messy with playing around with my glitter and everything else. And I think for my first try, if I say so myself, it turned out beautiful. But again, I want to know what you guys think. Again, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in 2 days with a brand new DIY. So stay tuned. Bye, everyone.